how did the dishwasher break?
I know. It's sitting, broke sitting.
It hit the ceiling?
Broke sitting.
It broke when it hit the ceiling? Who made it hit the ceiling?
Me.
You did? Did you throw it or kick it?
Kick it.
Oh, you threw it and then kicked it?
Broke down.
It broke when it fell down?
That's pretty sad. Do you think you'll be able to fix it? Oh, good. Do you need screwdrivers to fix it? Okay, you like screwdrivers?
Who's gonna fix it?
Me.
You three go to the Yeah? Yeah, like that? Oh, the chair's gonna break too? Two broke? Who broke the chairs? You did?
Okay. Well, thanks a lot for telling us the story, Trav.
It's heavy. Does the chair hit the ceiling and because you kicked the chair?
Can you show me how you kicked it, Travis?
How did you kick the chair?
Oh.
Yeah.
Down.
It hit the ceiling and fell down? And that broke? Two broke? Three broke? Yeah. It broke down? Yeah.
Well, thanks for telling us, Travis.
Story's not over yet.
Travis? Travis?
You broke the chair.
Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Can you say bye-bye, camera?
Bye-bye, Papa.
Thank you.